Understanding number sense, a key to math proficiency. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in mathematics and everyday life: number sense. It's a term you might have heard, but what does it really mean? Stick with us as we unravel the mystery of number sense and why it's so crucial for learning and using mathematics effectively. Number sense is a term that refers to a person's ability to understand, work with, and appreciate numbers. It involves recognizing numbers, estimating, solving problems, and making mathematical judgments. It's not just about being able to calculate. It's about having an intuition for how numbers work and interact with each other. For example, knowing that 15 is larger than 5 without having to count individually is a sign of number sense. Number sense comprises various skills and knowledge. 1. Understanding magnitude. Recognizing the size of a number and its position in relation to other numbers. 2. Estimation. Making educated guesses about quantity or size. 3. Number flexibility. Understanding that numbers can be represented in different ways, like 10 being 5 plus 5 or 2 by 5. 4. Mathematical reasoning. Using logic to solve problems involving numbers. 5. Spatial awareness. Understanding how numbers relate to space and shapes. How do we develop this skill? It starts from childhood, as kids play with numbers and gradually understand their meaning and relationships. Activities like counting objects, comparing quantities, and simple calculations help build a strong foundation. For English language learners, it's important to combine language learning with numerical concepts to enhance both skills simultaneously. Number sense is not just for math class, it's used in everyday life. When you estimate the time needed to get to work, decide if a sale price is a good deal, or cook a recipe and adjust the ingredients, you're using number sense. It's an essential skill that helps in making informed decisions and understanding the world better. Understanding and developing number sense is key to not only succeeding in mathematics but also in navigating everyday tasks effectively. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating topic and helped you appreciate the role of numbers in our daily lives. Keep practicing, and you'll see how numbers can be both fun and enlightening. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice your number sense every day.